Well, hello everyone. I'm Rushi Ghizal from U.P.S Kusumbhi, Nawabganj, Unnao. This is a lesson plan on mathematics, and this is basically for class 6. The topic is equations and variables. The subtopics are definition of equation, meaning of equation with one variable. The teaching aids are, in general aids we have got duster, color marker, whiteboard. In specific aids we have got Diksha app and flashcards. The general objectives are to create interest in maths, to develop mathematical attitude, to develop power of independent thinking, reasoning and explaining. In instructional objectives, we have for knowledge, the students will develop the desired knowledge of equations and meaning of equations with one variable. In understanding, the students will develop the understanding of the topic. For skills, the students will develop the required skills related to the topic and they will be able to apply the knowledge in their day-to-day life. The previous knowledge assumed is that the students are aware of constants and variables. For previous knowledge testing, teacher asks the question that what is a constant? Give example. Children reply, value or a number in mathematics whose value doesn't change. Example 1, 10, etc. What is a variable? Give example. Children reply, an alphabet in mathematics whose value keeps changing, like X, Y, Z, and these are basically small alphabets of English. What is an equation? No response. So the teacher announces the topic. Today we are going to study the chapter equations and variable. For presentation, the teacher gives the introduction. The equation definition is a statement that the value of two mathematical expressions are equal. It is indicated by equal sign. Students see the board as 9x plus 3 is equal to 10. Now teacher defines a linear equation. A linear equation in one variable is in first degree equation. It can be represented as ax plus b is equal to c. Here a, b, c are numbers. Example is example is x plus 3 is equal to 4. Now the rules to solve linear equation are as following. First is a number having a plus or minus sign on one side of equation changes its sign on going to the other side. For x plus 2 is equal to 5, this 2 goes on the other side and its signs becomes minus 2. So we get x is equal to 3. Similarly, in second example, x minus 2 is equal to 4. This minus 2 goes on the other side, changes its signs to plus, and we get the value of x as 6. Now, the second rule is a number which is in multiplication or division on one side becomes in division on multiplication on other side, that is the reverse. Like over here you see 3x is equal to 6, so over here 3 is in multiplication, it will go in division and the value of x will come out as 2. Similarly over here we have x by 2 is equal to 4, 2 is in division, it will go and get multiplied with 4 and we get the value of x is equal to 8. The simple rule is this cross sign which we have to apply, or we can always remember on which side a particular constant has to move so that we can get the value of the variable. Plains one more example over here. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5. 4 goes on the other side, changes its sign to minus. So 3x is equal to 3x is equal to 5 minus 4. 3x is equal to 1. Now over here x goes in division, so we get x is equal to 1 by 3. Now, for recapitulation, teacher gives the following question. Solve the values of x. First question is x plus 4 is equal to 8. Second is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Third is x minus 3 is equal to minus 8. Fourth is x plus 2 is equal to minus 5. Now, for homework, teacher gives the following questions. 3x minus 4 is equal to 8. X by 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 7. 4x plus 2 is equal to 2x. X by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 5. 3y minus 40 is equal to 20 plus 30. 2x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 3. Second question is Ram's age is 5 years more than Shyam. If the present age of Ram is 28 years, what is the present age of Shyam? So this is all. Thank you everyone.